Hi, you're beautiful. A spin. You know, it's a solo run, but it's pretty. You know why? Wanted to have fun. Smart city. Not oh, challenger. Teaming challenger. Look at but let's see floor 5, I guess. No, I die. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. That was loud music. Ew. Breaker. Breaker. In breaker. You see me? Deep, deep, John. I'm not cute anymore. Not shy anymore. Oo. Eh! Wow! I'm full with heels. How am I gonna run now? Like I'm full of heels. How am I gonna run? Beanie, medkit, beanie. Medkit. I thought it was medkit. What? Med. Ow. Scraps. Scraps. Scene again. Oh, he's hella cute. He's hella cute. He's all hella cute. Oh my gosh. Ooh, he's making alcohol. Is bro on the fucking bro? Bro scared me. Don't do it, Finn. No, 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 no. Why did I go in there? Why did I go in there? Why am I singing a song? You can get me, Finn. Phoenix. Flappy Bird, Finn, I guess. Fail. I was born to be a fish, not to extract. But I know a fish. Where's Barnaby? Bar. Oh, wow, we're distracting. No, no, I don't want to. No, ayoko. Ikaw na. Mamamatay ako dito. Bubo niya ayun. Hindi mo alam, Pin. Bakit sobrang daming Iker Patos? I need to complete this floor. Wow, so many extraction speed. I can't take it. No, Pin. Oh my gosh. Ah! 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 My mom is kind of homeless. Oh, well. Yeah, I found it. Oh, that's trying to get me. Haha, idiot. That was super slow. It's really. Somehow, what puddle did really do? What puddle? That Barnaby? Oh, look at Swimmy. So cute. Hello. You can get me. Oh my god, I have been. Oh, wow. I'm getting catched by Barnaby. And we got to run. We don't have no stamina. Ah! Oh, oh, goodness. Good, I'm a dodger. I'm a dodger. I'm a dodger. Where's the last one? Barnaby. Barnaby the fish. Fish. Fish is about liner. Oh, stop. I need your fish. So, where's your fish? Okay, we gotta. Oh, whoa. Oh my goodness, I'm a dodger. I have no stamina. Why do birds suddenly this niya? Tapos ganyan floor. So bye y'all. See you in the next video.